Stella off the lead in the daytime. On this beautiful beach. Look at this. England is beautiful, man. Stella? Good girl. What's my Stella? I'm on the beach having a Stella with Stella. Look at this beach, man. Look at that pretty face. Look at that pretty face. Happy times. after like a 1,000-mile round journey, I had to leave my dog behind because even though I'm a traveller, I live in a van. I've chosen a dog who gets travel sick. But I'm sure that's down to age, and she'll grow out that eventually. So until she's of an age where she stops doing it, we're static. Well, I love this dog so much. I've got her collar on that I first bought her when I was drunk about 12 weeks ago, and it was way too big for her. But but she's kind of growing into it. She looks like a military commando now with that on. Yeah, commando dog. Come on, boom. Woohoo! Stella! Yay! Stella! So these are my days. I've fucked work off for a while now and chose what I feel is important to me. Money has no value anymore. Neither does most people. I trust this little girl more than every human being I've ever met on this planet. When I was a little boy, I had a horrible stepfather, and my mother was not so smart. And when I was like 10 years old, they forced me to throw my dog away. Not once, but twice. The first time they got me to throw the dog away, the dog beat us home, and he was sick, and matchsticks came out on his stick. Anyway, so because they didn't drive, they were like poverty ignorant people. They forced me with the stepfather, who was not nice, to put the dog on a bus and then lose the dog in the sand dunes of Cleethorpes. And then we got to the bus stop, and while I was on the top deck of the bus as a 10-year-old looking out the window, I could see my dog sniffing its way back to us, but obviously there's no scent once it got to the bus stop. They were just very ignorant, stupid people, very lazy, full of lies. And they're still deluded to this day. Anyway, so all the wrongs them people have done to me, I set right. And they don't like my truth. Now I'm an adult, because they don't think you're ever going to grow up, do they? But now I'm an adult, I give them fuck, and they deserve it, and then some. So they're getting off lightly, actually, because they're not nice people, and they pretend they are. Anyway, so I'm happy at the moment. Sorry, I went on a bit of a rant there. With my baby Stella. Stella, yeah, I love you. I love you. She's a Belgian Malinois, amazing breed, very intelligent. I love my dog, and she's replaced the dog they made me throw away as a child, and I never forgot that. Evil, ignorant, stupid people. But I'm happy now. What a beautiful coastline, man. Go on then, Stella, let's go and walk on it. Hopefully we won't find any quicksand. Look at this. Woohoo! Beautiful. Happy times, man. Stella, sit. 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 She won't leave me. Sit, sit. Wait. Wait. She's a bit nervous. Look at this, dude. Holy shit, man. So we found a bit of a, is this a recess? Is that what it's called? Lovely. She's going for the birds. That's it, the hunter instincts are kicked in. "18 weeks old. That's where we are.